Hello, this is Ankur and I'm the designer of the DAKSH V2 tool changer. I wanted to go over this video, the implementation of the nozzle based Z probe that I have come up with for the DAKSH V2 tool changer. So the whole Z probe is integrated into the tool head. It derives its design inspiration from the Voron tap that uses an optical sensor being triggered when the nozzle hits the bed. But instead of using a linear rail, there is a linear bearing being used. This is an LM5 UU bearing, along with two M3 spacers that allow a restricted plane of movement up and down for the tool head. So this is the tool head, and then let's see, this is the restricted plane of movement that the tool head actually moves in. The tool head gets coupled with a simple optical switch, and when the tool head moves upon striking the nozzle, if you can see, there is a little flag in here that triggers the optical switch. So just to get an even force pushing down on the tool head when it moves up, there is a spring around the PTFE tube that goes from the extruder to the tool head. And what that spring does is essentially it allows for a even downward pressure down onto the tool head as it moves. So when it comes up, that's the satisfying sound that you get of the tool head being pushed back into its original position. So it actually is working pretty well. I have been getting accuracies down to 0.004 in terms of the probe accuracy, wherein the Voron tab gets, I think, 0.001 or lower. But you normally just need 0.02 to be good enough to actually probe and use it. So we have magnitudes of order better than 0.02, even with a simple optical switch and the linear bearing being used. So that's the implementation that is there. It does away with the need for an inductive probe or a clicky type of external solution to probe the bed. And for a tool changer, it also opens up the possibilities of being able to do auto Z calibration along with auto XY that I am working on using a separate approach. But opens up a lot of possibilities similar to the way that Prusa XL actually opens up with their integrated load cell into the tool head. So this is my version of that approach. And for more details on the WP DAKSH tool changer, which is the V1 that is out using a servo, or the new DAKSH V2, which is a completely mechanical tool changer, please do look at the description and then join the Discord channel that is posted in the description. We are getting close to a release of the V2 with a fully baked mechanical tool changer solution. So I hope you guys will take a look at the Discord and the files and then build this thing out. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll be posting more videos around the build process for the tool changer. Please follow around and let me know if there's anything specific that I can actually answer for you guys with respect to the design or operation of the integrated nozzle probe. Thank you.